Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all the parents out there. We know how challenging it can be to come up with nutritious and tasty vegetarian meals that your kids will actually eat. So let's dive into these 5 delicious dinner ideas. First up, we have zucchini lasagna. It's a fun twist on the classic dish. Instead of pasta, we use thinly sliced zucchini as the layers. Top it with marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella. Bake until bubbly and golden. Trust me, your kids won't even miss the noodles. Next, we've got a plant-based version of the famous Chick-fil-A sandwich. Crispy breaded tofu, pickles, and a tangy vegan mayo, all sandwiched between soft buns. It's a winner. Black bean burgers are a hit with kids. Mash up black beans, add breadcrumbs, spices, and chopped veggies. Shape into patties and cook on the stovetop. Serve with whole wheat buns and all their favorite toppings. Post pouring sauce over pasta. This one's a sneaky way to get more protein into their diet. Blend cooked chickpeas with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. Toss it with whole wheat pasta, and you've got a creamy, protein-packed meal. Coaxing a salad. Finally, a refreshing Greek chickpea salad. Combine chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olives, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. It's colorful, crunchy, and full of flavor. And there you have it, 5 kid-friendly vegetarian dinner ideas that are both nutritious and delicious. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more family-friendly recipes. See you next time.